Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Umer. Today we are doing a science activity skewer through a balloon. For this required things are balloon, wooden skewer and liquid soap. First of all, inflate the balloon. And then tie a knot. Dip the skewer in the liquid soap. Now gently twist the skewer into the balloon next to the bottom where the balloon is less stretch. Oh, you can see the balloon is not popping. Interesting. Now let's try how many skewers I can poke in the balloon.
2 skewer in the balloon. Now I'm going to pop one more skewer into the balloon.
So 3 skewer in one balloon and balloon is not popping. Balloon contain elastic polymer that allow the balloon to stretch. The polymer chain close around the skewer, preventing the balloon from popping.